Okay, what's going on with your life, man?
One sec. Yeah, so I was just looking for some life maxing advice, some like looks maxing advice, daily
What's
advice.
going on with your life? Like before life maxing, well, before looks maxing, what do you do? Describe,
Yeah.
give us
So like right now
context.
I'm in college. I'm studying politics, going into law.
Okay.
Um, yeah, because basically I'm based in the UK, but I'm based in UK and Dubai because I grew up in Dubai. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
I'm pretty much what I do. I'm also into fitness quite a bit, so I made a website. I have also like quite a big following on like Insta, TikTok. I have like 100K or something, and so like I've made a website to like earn money off that. I just need advice on how I can, reel in the clients, more clients in, pretty much, because yeah, pretty much that's the kind
So
of
how many followers you have on IG?
on IG I have like 35, and then TikTok I have like 140.
Okay. So what are you doing to nurture your audience every single day? What are you doing?
Yeah, so like pretty much I'm just uh like I'm making some like workout videos, sometimes giving people advice. I also made some like free programs that I gave to people. I'm just like I post quite a bit. Try to
Yeah,
keep.
posting with no direction doesn't really suit you. So if you're not, are you growing? Are you getting a lot of followers new, or are you just
Yeah, it's just like sometimes like I kind of know the algorithm already. I'm pretty like well versed with the algorithm, and so I know what to post to do well. But usually, sometimes on the content that I make, that I spend a lot of effort on, doesn't do as well as like the content that I don't really spend too much time on. That can be like rage bait content, which is obviously not going to be like.
why are you posting that?
No, it's not like it's because it gets like more viewers, and because it's more
No, views don't mean
it's more
shit. If you broke, guys, please, views do not equal money. Views do not equal money. So you're posting rage bait, but you're a fitness influencer. How does that
no,
work?
it's like I would just like show my lifts or something like in the gym,
Mm-hmm.
show like how I'm lifting the weights, um
But you
just
said
things like
rage
that.
bait. What does that? What does that exactly mean?
What do you mean with the lifting weights?
You
Like,
said rage bait.
oh, rage bait. It's like, for example, I would just like um post myself like doing lateral raises or something like heavy weights, and then loads of people in the comments would be like they had raged about like, and then the haters come, things like this.
Okay, so you got to make content that is gonna talk to and help solve your client, your avatar client's problems. I think you're worrying about the wrong shit.
Okay.
Okay, because you gotta figure out what value are you providing to people that are watching you, and how can you help them.
Okay.
All right, that's
Yeah.
what I will focus on. You do that consistently enough, you start to get more clients. Are you
Okay.
promoting your business on your stories and stuff like that?
Yeah, I do that on my stories, and I got like a lot of brand like what is it affiliations or like sponsors. Like I just got sent from one of these supplement companies like the other day, and I was just wondering, do you think I should go in um, that kind of projection, or should I focus more on building the
Personal brand.
personal brand?
I mean, you can do promotions every now and then, but you can have maybe a couple of companies you work with. But ultimately, the more you promote another brand, the more you take away from yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Fair. Yeah. Then that was also my mentality because I got a lot of requests for certain things. I didn't really like, or I didn't think the product represented what I wanted to put out, so I
Mm-hmm.
kind of put it to a side.
Don't ever do that. Anytime you see a product that doesn't represent what you want or what you feel like will help you or your audience, don't post it. Don't get affiliated with it. I'm only gonna work with brands that I've used and I know can actually help.
Okay. Yeah.
Because your trust matters more. Your trust is a higher currency than the income, believe it or not. With personal branding, like them people trusting you that you're gonna give them valuable advice that is not selfish matters more than you making money.
Okay.
Because if you made products they built from trust, you can make all the money in the world. But if you tried to make money and you gave away your trust, you would make no money. Look at your audience, look at your viewers, especially the ones who are, actually care about the content that you're making. Look at them like, how do I explain it? Like assets. Like they're assets. Like and you have to treat your assets well. You have to nourish them. You have to, do right by them so they can provide you leverage in the future.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
I'm definitely gonna try to make a big push on personal branding because I made a website.
A website ain't gonna do nothing. You don't need a fucking website right now.
A website can translate, it can transition from, just like
you don't need a website right now. You need more content. You need videos that will nurture the people who are watching you, that will add value to them. They don't give a fuck about your website.
Yeah, but website is to get like clients.
You don't need a website to get clients. Not right now.
How would you get a portal to, like, for example, if you wanted for them to pay you?
Got you.
I thought the portal would be the website, so they would pay from the websites.
But what I'm saying is you're not even at that point yet. Have you started to get clients that are wanting to pay you?
I mean, yeah, I get like requests for clients, but I haven't fully like started like marketing it like properly because I'm still kind of waiting because I'm still trying to get better at editing. For example, like I'm gonna like learn how to edit properly.
Taking too long, bro.
Kind of promoting it a lot more.
Taking too long. You're taking too long. You're worrying about you're taking way too long.
Okay.
Okay. You like figure out what content is gonna help nurture the people who care about your stuff.
Okay, fine.
All right. You got this, bro.
Okay. And just for some looks maxing advice, can you just give me some looks maxing?
Let's see the physique.
Okay, 1 second.
All right, bro. You jacked.
Yeah,
huge. Motherfuckers, you bigger than me. So the body looks nice. I'm not really a fan of the dreads. It's not gonna lie, man.
These aren't dreads. I have curly hair. These are like coils. So it's a style. Like it's not
okay.
My hair naturally is like curl and it goes like to here. So
okay, well, okay, cool. That I think will look a lot better. The curls will make you look like a pretty boy, give you a lot of sex appeal. But yeah, just if you can go back to that style, that would look better. Do you have to have the curls? No, it's just like a moment, like a temporary thing.
I just do it here and then. Like it's not really like it's not a permanent thing. It lasts for like 2 weeks.
Okay, got you. Then you good.
Yeah, and then it's like I usually just like sometimes walk natural curls because I haven't like a couple of years because I'm just trying to grow it out. But
okay,
or something.
Okay, so yeah, you good. You focus on your business. What about dating?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, well, I'm talking to this one girl, but she's a bit like I don't know, like she's too. I don't really like her accent. Like she has a very I don't know. Maybe it's just kind of a turn off.
When is the last time you got some ass, bro? When's the last time you had sex?
Like 2 weeks ago.
And was it with a girl you liked?
Yeah, I liked her. Yeah.
Then why aren't you sleeping with her again?
It's the same girl. It's the same girl.
Same girl, but you don't like her accent.
You know, I don't like her accent. It's just she's a nice girl. I have feelings for her.
How you have feelings for her? You just met her?
No, I met her maybe more than a month ago or something.
And you already have feelings in a month?
I mean, yeah, I'm not dating her.
Then how you have feelings? I'm confused. Feelings are usually for people that you like.
Yeah.
And dating. How you have feelings, but you're not dating her?
Yeah, because you have to go in the vetting process. Like I can control my feelings, but I can control actions, right?
Mm-hmm.
I could feel like, bro, but I'm gonna vet her out and kind of like understand her. Maybe.
So, okay, are you trying to meet new girls that you actually like their accent, or are you just gonna settle with this one?
Yeah, I mean, I'm open to meeting new girls. You know what I mean? It's just the campus I'm on is just completely dead. Like it's very like because I'm in the UK, yeah, and the weather is like it's not in the best situation right now, if I'm being honest. And the campus there's not really any daytime activities, pretty much. Not like the US where the campuses are full of women.
So there's no girls on your campus. It's just dudes.
No, that's why I go out to like other cities.
Mm.
Yeah, I go
So
out to.
it just sounds like you're still in scarcity, bro. You got to get out this scarcity. You're trying to like downplay that it's scarcity. You got to get out of scarcity. This is you guys' motto. You work on several parts of your life, and then you just say, "Hey, fuck it," with the rest of it. Do you want to meet new women? If you say you're open to it, then you should put in some work.
Yeah. What do you think about like going on like dating apps? Is that like?
What do I think about going on dating apps? I think you should definitely be on dating apps. You're not on dating apps?
No, I'm on dating apps now.
Why aren't you on dating apps? You're too good for dating apps, right?
What was that?
You're too good for dating apps, right?
Nah, like I don't know, man. Like it's just a bit like you want to have the natural kind of chemistry.
Natural. What the fuck does that even mean? You guys are just making up shit. I want the natural, but you DM a girl on Instagram.
Nah, I don't DM girls on Instagram.
If a baddie DM'd you, would you fuck her?
Yeah.
So what's the difference, bro?
It's just a bit like
you don't want to put in the effort because you don't know how to. You guys have these beliefs that don't serve y'all. Oh, dating apps, it's not natural, but you go do unnatural shit anyways. Like I don't understand like. Stop telling yourselves that stuff. I'm not good at dating apps, so I need to get better at dating apps, and then I need to be selective of the women on dating apps. Like anywhere, if you attract trash, you're gonna deal with trash. But if you prioritize making yourself look good, you can attract women on dating apps. You're a good-looking dude. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on dating apps looking your best, right? So you can attract more women from there, especially when you're in a place where you said it's not that many girls walking around. Okay?
Yeah. And what do you think? Should I go like
Listen, I got something for you. Listen, it's called 7 online dating cheat codes. How I get tons of matches, dates from dating apps. It's a guide on what you need to do. I gotta get to somebody else, but I think you should download that. It's because it's free. Okay. And every single one of y'all watching who are still struggling with dating apps because you it's something else, not your fault. It's your fault. So download the 7 online dating cheat codes. It's free. Okay. Do what I'm telling you to do in there. It's in the YouTube chat.
You sure? Okay.
All right. So you can start meeting new women. Okay. All right, bro. Have a good one.